Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Sony BRAVIA 565-inch TV, Mini LED, 4K Smart Google TV, XR processor with AI technology, 120Hz television with Dolby Vision/Atmos, exclusive features for PlayStation 5, K65 XR50. Are you tired of watching movies and games on a screen that's more like a window to the past? Do you dream of an immersive experience that transports you into the world of your favorite stories? If so, this TV is probably exactly what you've been searching for, but let's dive in and find out if it lives up to the hype.